The ELCA network expanded to 16 members across 13 European nations, reinforcing its role as a leader in lightweight innovation. Over the past year, the alliance has been instrumental in sharpening Europe's competitive edge in the global market. To see how this progress is being made, we're examining the vital role that industrial clusters and strategic policy play in the lightweighting landscape.
In the geopolitical context, I think it's important that clusters help companies to anticipate market and competition developments and to find solutions which are implemented in a collaborative way with the partners across Europe, so that we ensure that European clusters and companies will not cannibalize each other. Lightweight policies should support the real impact of the funding policy and the economic development towards competitiveness of the companies. So that means that we have to analyze and to check very honestly and to analyze our own competitiveness and to find ways how we can ensure that support of investments will be market-driven and not research-driven only.
The ELCA ecosystem continues to expand its reach, with the introduction of 2 new strategic projects in 2025, Map4EU and Lightweight EU. Let's explore how these programs are set to redefine innovation across the network.
The Map4EU project is a Euroclusters project called Advanced Materials for Sustainable Europe Future that started in October, and it will run for the next 3 years. Map4EU project brings together 6 clusters, Polymeris as coordinators from France, BIC from Poland, Danish Material Network from Denmark, RKW from Germany, Limpro from Lithuania, and Cluster Map from Spain. And Map4EU will help companies and all the ecosystem of advanced materials to develop new projects in advanced materials, including metal, ceramics, polymers, bio-based materials, focusing in 6 different sectors like construction, defense, agri-food, and some others. And it will have a special focus in sustainability and digitalization.
Starting in May 2025, the Lightweight EU project has set out to unify Europe's approach to lightweighting. By harmonizing regional policies and sharing best practices between frontrunners and emerging regions, the project is building a smarter, more competitive industrial landscape. From Slovakia to Spain, this initiative is transforming lightweight from a niche technology into a cornerstone of the European Green Deal. To gain a regional perspective, ELCA member Cluster Map breaks down the latest advancements and industrial opportunities within the Catalan lightweighting ecosystem.
So from my point of view, Catalonia has a strong ecosystem in lightweight materials, as we have key actors across the whole value chain. And all of them are very active in different sectors, especially mobility, but also in building, energy, electronics. And at Cluster Map, we have an active working group dedicated to lightweight materials and technology, including more than 20 members. And all of them, they work together to develop new materials, more sustainable, with high performance and more competitive. Our objectives within this group is to position Catalonia as a reference in lightweight in Europe. So I believe this is a very important meeting, the ELN conference that will take place in Barcelona next October. So I invite you to come and to see all the opportunities that the lightweight can offer here in Barcelona.
The ELCA maintained a strong presence across Europe, with Jack World in Paris serving as a major highlight. Here, the Alliance hosted specialized panels on advancing bio-based composites in automotive design, featuring key industry experts. The event also marked a milestone, the official announcement of the merger between the ELCA and the ELA, a strategic move designed to unify and align Europe's lightweighting efforts. ELCA took an active role at the ELN in Krakow. Board member Thomas Hipke spoke on the advantages of a unified European strategy, highlighting its power to drive innovation, sustainability, and a stronger industrial edge. If you are interested in becoming part of the largest pan-European alliance working on lightweight materials and related technologies, don't hesitate to get in touch with us and become part of our lightweight community. ELCA, lightweight technologies made in Europe.